Good morning all of you. Welcome back to Grammar Online class. Children, in our chapter 7, we have learned about nouns. So all of you know that nouns are the names of people, place, animal or thing. So here in our chapter 8, this is kinds of noun. Chapter 8, kinds of nouns. So all of you know that two kinds of nouns we have discussed in our earlier chapter. They were common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are the children. They are the names given to things, animal, places or people which are of same kind. For example, girl, it can be any girl, class, chalk, chair, trees, etc. Any noun that belongs to the same kind of. So they are common nouns. And when we are talking about proper nouns, they are the special names given to the places, persons. So they are, for example, India, Himalayas, Rahul, Yamuna. Yamuna is the name of river, special name. Rahul is the name of person. Himalayas, mountain, and India is the name of our country. So these are proper nouns. And very special thing, children, whenever we write proper nouns, they are always written in capitals. So one more kind of noun we are adding to your chapter, kinds of noun. They are collective nouns. Children, collective nouns. They are the names given to the group of people, animals or things. When we combine the people or animals or things and give a special name to that group, that is called collective noun. For example, if we say a herd of cows. So there are many cows in a group and we have given them a special name, that is herd. Herd is collective noun here. So second example we have taken, a class of students. When all the students are sitting in a room, we specially call it class. This is a collective noun, a class of students. So third example I have taken is a bouquet of flowers. When we group all the flowers, many of the flowers in one place, that is a bouquet of flowers. An army of soldiers. When there are many soldiers in one group, we call it an army of soldiers. So children, in this chapter, we are going to revise common nouns, proper nouns, and one more kind of noun we have added to your chapter. They are collective nouns. So collective nouns are the names given to the group of people, animals or things. So all of you now open your book, page number 21. Children, page number 21 of your grammar book, and please keep a sharp pencil and eraser nearby you so that we will start our exercises. So here children, on page number 21, you have exercise A. Exercise A. Here you have to match the common nouns with their special names given as proper nouns with the common nouns. In one side you have common nouns and the other side you have proper nouns. So we have to match in this exercise common nouns with the proper nouns. So first is boy. Boy children, other side. Other side, it is matched to Rahul. Rahul. E part. Match boy to Rahul. Second is girl, and that is on the other side, the name of girl they have given is Richa. Do this matching. Third is city. So children, on the next side they have given Mumbai. match the part 4 country to China. Fifth one is river. So here on the other side they have given name of the river Godavari. Please match this. Sixth one is school, and other side they have given the name of school St. Joseph's Convent. Seventh is continent. So continent, all of you know that Asia is the name of continent. Eighth one is cartoon character. All of you are well known of Donald Duck. So match cartoon character with Donald Duck. So children, turn to your page number 22. Here in the exercise B, we have to rewrite the following sentences using capital letters where needed. So they have given us all the small letters in the sentence, but we have to punctuate them with the capital letters wherever they are needed. And I told you that wherever you find proper noun in the sentence, that is always written with capital letter. So first sentence is, they have given us Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. So children, here Mumbai and Maharashtra, they both should be written in capital M. Mumbai and Maharashtra. So please write down these both M capital and rewrite them in your notebook. Next is Rahul Sharma came first in the race. So here Rahul Sharma is the name of a person, and you have to mark Rahul R capital and Sharma S capital. Rahul Sharma. Third one, children. I have read Ramayana many times. So here you have to mark I in the capital and Ramayana R in capital, because this is a proper noun. Fourth is, my parents are from Kolkata. My M capital, because it is the beginning alphabet of the sentence. So we will mark M capital. My parents are from Kolkata. K capital. Next is, have you ever visited Shimla? So here, have H capital and Shimla S capital. So Shimla. Next is, Smita and Namita are my classmates. So Smita and Namita are proper noun. We will write their names with capital S and capital N. Next is, children, Modern High School is closed today. So this is the name of school. We will write it Modern M capital, High H capital, but school we will not write it in capital because this is common noun. Modern High School. Next is, children, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. So here, the T capital, Taj Mahal, Agra. So everyone, please look into this and rewrite these sentences in your notebook, because you don't find any place here in your book. So come to exercise C, children. We have to underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns in the given sentences. First one, get ready with your pencils. So children, exercise C, we have to underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. My birthday is in December. So Second one, my father reads the Time of India in the morning. So my father, father is common noun. We will underline father and circle the name of newspaper. The Times of India. Third one is Vishesh and Vishal play cricket in the park. Here children, Vishesh is proper noun. Vishesh and Vishal, proper nouns. Play cricket. Cricket is the name of game. Underline. Park is the name of place. Underline. The leopard has black spots on its body. So, underline leopard and body. Fifth one is children, I will visit Europe in January. So here both Europe and January, they are proper nouns. So we have to circle the proper nouns. So children, come to next. The school remain closed on Saturdays. So here children, school is common noun. We will underline it. Saturdays. Saturdays. Saturdays is proper noun. It's the name of week. Next is the play is written by Shakespeare. So here children, underline play and circle Shakespeare. Last sentence is she stays in Ranchi. Ranchi is the name of place. So here you have to circle Ranchi. So children, hope all of you have done exercise C in your book. Next, we are coming to the exercise, which is we have to match the columns with collective nouns. As we have done earlier also, a herd of cows. We always say a herd of cows. Match a herd of with cows. Second is a school of. So children, here we will add it to a school of fish. A school of fish. Third one is an army of, I told you, an army of soldiers. An army of soldiers. Next is a box of biscuits. A box of biscuits. Next is a pack of, children, a pack of wolves. A pack of wolves. Next is a swarm of. A swarm of bees. Next is a bouquet of. I told you, a bouquet of flowers. Last is a flock of sheep. So children, these are collective nouns. Hope all of you have done exercise B in your book by matching collective nouns to the common nouns. So next exercise on page number 23, children, this is very easy. You can do it yourself also, but we will discuss it here on the blackboard. So exercise E. Firstly, they have given us a grid. They have given us a grid over here, children. If you see page number 23. Page number 23. A grid is given and they have given us fill in the blanks. We have to find out common and proper nouns from this grid and we have to fill these blanks. Let us see first blank. The statesman is a dash. This is a common noun and this is a newspaper. The statesman is the name of newspaper. Second one is Shah Rukh Khan is an, all of you very well know, Shah Rukh Khan is an actor and this is a common noun. Patna is the capital of Bihar. When you write Bihar, children, this is proper noun, you will write the capital. Next is the capital of Jharkhand is, again proper noun, Ranchi. Capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Next is, children, the dash teaches us in school. Who teaches you in school? The teacher teaches you in school. Next is, the dash is the national animal of India. So what is the national animal of India? It is tiger. Next is, dash is a famous Indian batsman. All of you know it very well. Sachin. When you write Sachin, this is the name of a person. You will write S capital. Sachin. 8 is collective noun, children. A dash of bees. A swarm of bees. So, what you have learned in this chapter? We have learned about 3 kinds of nouns: common nouns, proper nouns and collective nouns. So children, once again revise from your book and do exercise B of page 22 in your notebook.